yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, yesterday night. They sound pretty similar, but unfortunately, yesterday night is incorrect. I'm very confused by this. Are you confused by this? What about tomorrow? Tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night? Tomorrow night is okay. It's correct. Yesterday night is incorrect, but tomorrow night is correct. Can you explain it to me? Why? What is the logic behind this? If you are from the UK or the USA, I mean, you are from the English-speaking country, maybe you've got more thoughts and ideas about this part. Thank you very much for your time, and never and ever say yesterday night. The solution is last night. Last night. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye, everyone.